Hello and welcome back to Payday 2. So I just got this shotgun. I was planning on shit. I was planning on recording as soon as I got the shotgun, but some stuff got caught up, and I'm just gonna start. I'm until I get until I'm told what I need to do. I'm just gonna post these like every other day. You can tell me otherwise if not to, but this is what's going. This is what's gonna stay for a bit. Alright, so we're just gonna hop into one real quick thing, and, why not? 3 people, never mind. We'll just do the deposit thing. I've never done this one before. By the way, I've gotten sort of like a new thing for recording. I'm actually setting you on a table, not the stupid stand thing that was retarded. And, next Friday, not tomorrow, but next Friday, we're going to be posting a couple of things if I can try my best to. Alright, so now, like, this game is extremely cool, but for joining in, I don't like it. It could be so much better. Wait a minute, no, you can't do that, can you? Okay, my Xbox didn't freeze. Yet. So as you can see, I've got the Rainfield 880 shotgun, crosskill pistol. I still haven't gotten a different suit, and I'm running the Ghost. Because why not? Well then. Okay, the shotgun's pretty popular. Three minutes and I still haven't gotten loaded into a game. Okay, now we're starting. One shot. Oh yes, this looks so much better than the last video did. Fuck. 13,000. Look at this guy's mask. Wait, okay. I need that guy's mask. Ammo in a printer. Why can't we just... Never mind. I was gonna ask, why can't we just print ammo? Then I realized how stupid it sounded. Then again, we do have a 3D printer, so we have created the 3D... Where is he shooting me at? Oh, it's you. Does it do... Oh, it does... Now I can see why these shotguns are so popular. Okay, now they are definitely in here. I'm not going insane, I swear. No. 9. 9. No. Well, okay then. Did this guy just shoot me? I'm pretty sure that if we go out there, if we don't go out there fast enough, we'll have to wait a bit more because the guy will be dead or something. I don't know. But I am a greedy person. I nailed it. Oh my god. Okay, that works. Yeah, I'm gonna take my chances and get out of here while I can't sprint with this money. I got you. Okay, no, oh no, oh god, oh no, oh no. Well, this was a terrible idea. Eh. Well, there goes my ability to fire. Do they not see me? Because even I can see my... I'm just booking the money. Booking the money. Fam, Fam, get the money. Get the money. Fam, go get the money. Fam, you got me? Fam, you got... There's the bag of money right there. Right there. Alright, Fam's going. Oh, yeah, he got the money. I would go and help him, but I don't think my armor's working. Murdered. That's a lot of people. Is he... Wait, oh, he was already there. Wow, I'm blind. Tons of money. Tons of money that I'm not gonna be allowed to have. Well, actually, that's not bad. Oh, shit. Oh, god damn it, Caden. Alright, there, I set you back up. And what's he going... Blood red. That kinda doesn't matter with the mask I have, but alright. Yo, if you guys ever want to add me on Xbox, okay. If you ever want to add me on Xbox, just, like, if you, just, let me just delete a couple friends real quick, and, I mean, it's not like anything's going on current. There's my, gamer tag if you want to add me. Now, I'll have to delete a couple friends real quick if you guys want to add. Shit. I'm nailing this real quick. Alright. Let me do... Oh. Okay, I'll delete a couple of friends after the video, I guess. I don't know why, I just love going to the jewelry store. Wow, that sounded so gay. Oh wait, I think I actually might have known that guy. Crap. I have not played with this guy in forever. Oh shit, it's starting. Oh no, I'm the highest one here so far. Oh shit. Alright, there. 4 spots. I'll probably remove a couple more friends after the video, just in case people do want to add me. Loading takes... Oh, wait. And then someone else joins. Wait. I'm gonna do this now, just in case I don't get the chance to later. Oh, wait. Oh, crap. We're already almost at the end. Y'all should have warned me about this. Why didn't you warn me about this? God, why didn't you? Eh. Wow. 6 minutes and they've already cleared out this entire room. Sure, I'll tie up his hands even though it probably wasn't needed. I just nailed him in the back of the head. No. Ah, shit. No. 9. Nope. Alright, yeah, just passed right by me. Alright, dude, yeah, that's intelligent. Go. Pfft. What is their hell? Oh, yeah, they're waiting for... Crap. Wait, are... Yeah, most of them are waiting. The guy just made me shove my shotgun up his ass. Nice. Nice. So let me know if, like, every other day is an intelligent idea or not. Am I gonna get to level up? Wait, no. Nah. Next one I should do should get me it. So I played back the last video, and the one thing that annoyed me the most was that I could. Okay, yeah, I'm good with that, but I could hear my joystick clicking, and I know that had to annoy people. I think I can go for like 20 minutes. I can try at least. Yeah, sure. Eh. Oh, wait. I wasn't gonna spend any more money. No, why would I do that? You know, I probably shouldn't spend any more money. But hey, who cares? Oh god, my commentary is diminishing by the minute. Oh, I love this one. Just because I know most of the stuff for it, but I love this one. I didn't want to listen to that either. Alright, so let's see how less, how much less suspicious am I when compared to the last time. So, security guard right there. Did someone already put on their mask? What? Oh, for Christ's sake. Oh, okay then. Answering. Oh, God. Gonna see if that works now. I know most of the spots where the safes are. There better be something where I can upgrade my ghost skill tree to make lockpicking faster. If there isn't, I'm gonna be pretty salty. By pretty salty, I mean I really don't care. See, I know exactly where those places are. These places are. Jackpot. Alright, so I might be able to get a capture card pretty soon, so would you guys like me doing some Pokemon videos, like battle rewinds maybe? Like, I don't know, I thought it might be a cool idea. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's a decent idea. I swear I already went to this one, but alright. Wait, did I check the stuff for cash? That I did not. Ah, kinda sucks. I'm gonna go to the China buffet the equivalent of China buffet and see. How's it going? How's it going, buddy? What's up? He his name is John. He doesn't like to talk too much. Alright, this one's still going away. Okay, do I either get him or refix the drill? Refix! Yeah, that's a word. Wait. Crap, is that a word? Well, it turns out that you might need to die, sir. Oh, here comes another person. I don't know why, I just feel like I need to talk in this country accent. I just feel like it. Yeah, I'm gonna stop before I lose subscribers here. Even though I'm not the one worrying about subscribers. This guy is. How have we not stolen 15,000 already? Shit, no. How does a pistol do so much to a guy in a suit? I mean, you gotta dress to him. Has the other drill finished yet? Yes, it has. You bitch, you stole my money. Y'all know this guy was trying to steal it too. I'm gonna be a nice guy and save the law dog. This is a bad idea. How'd I miss that badly? Of course he stays at the thing to get the money. Nice, man. Even though I'm pretty sure we share the money. I stay aiming down the sights for way too long. He just did a little twirl and spun around. I feel like there's one thing that we could get, but I'm forgetting what it is. We already took the cash from there. I guess not. Let's go. Oh, I thought it was gonna stop us from leaving since we got into a police assault. Alright, so it's just about the end of the video, so yeah, this is our last one. Again, let me know if every other day sounds good. Yes! The arrow? Huh. Sounds nice. Alright. I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Adios. Bye.